Wireless security camera, 1080p pan tilt zoom Wi-Fi indoor camera, nanny cam for home pet baby elderly. With 24/7 live video, night vision, two-way audio, motion detection, cloud, and South Dakota card storage. Super easy setup 1080p HD Wi-Fi security camera. Just download the free, user-friendly and intuitive Faleemi Cloud app, enter your Wi-Fi information, show the generated QR code on your app to the baby camera and setup completes. It talks you through the steps. You can get this baby pet camera monitor with phone app access done in 3 minutes for both hardware and software. Crisp and clear images and videos, day and night, surprisingly good quality. This baby camera comes with enhanced two-way audio which makes the two-way talk is very clear and easy to understand. Picking up sounds and using this for two-way communication is exceptional. You may say, "Sweetie, watch out," when you see your kids doing something dangerous. The night vision has a good range, 7 meters 23 feet, and image quality. Faleemi baby camera works in nearly complete darkness. The nighttime motion sensitivity is great, caught the baby, cat or dog on the motion detection. Remote control via smartphone. Control the pet camera through the app for 350 degrees panning, 100 degrees tilting and 4x zooming, which is very handy. The position preset allows you to set favorite positions, so you can quickly click one button and it will automatically pan over to that position. It is a great time-saving feature. Instant motion detection alert with 10-sec video clips in the app. Upon detecting motions, it sends you a pop-up notification on your phone and 10-sec video clips in the mobile app. The pet camera also allows you using a South Dakota card for more recording capabilities. You don't have to subscribe cloud storage options and data security. Faleemi Home's security camera works with Micro South Dakota for local storage and also offers 30-day free trial of cloud. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.